keep going, understanding the phrase, soldier on. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating phrase to unpack, soldier on. If you've ever heard someone say it and wondered what it really means, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore this expression together. The phrase, soldier on, is an idiomatic expression that means to continue doing something despite difficulties. It originates from the literal idea of a soldier advancing forward on the battlefield, no matter how challenging the situation. When you soldier on, you're showing determination and persistence, pushing through obstacles or discouraging situations without giving up. You can use soldier on in both everyday conversation and formal communication. It's often employed to show emotional support or to encourage someone, including yourself, to keep going. To encourage others, I know your work has been tough lately, but you just have to soldier on until it's done. Self-encouragement. Even though I was tired, I soldiered on and finished the marathon. Remember, the essence of this phrase is about resilience and not losing hope. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in context. 1. Despite the economic downturn, the small business soldiered on, eventually becoming very successful. 2. After the loss of their star player, the team had to soldier on and focus on their next game. 3. She soldiered on with her studies, even though she was going through a tough time personally. These sentences show the versatility and motivational aspect of the phrase. Interestingly, you might also come across variations or synonyms that carry a similar meaning to soldier on. Phrases like keep on keeping on, persevere, hang in there, or keep at it all echo the same sentiment of persisting in the face of hardship. And that's a wrap on the meaning of soldier on. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Keep practicing, and you'll be adding a touch of native speaker flair to your English in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Soldier on in your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.